6 incredible drinks to drink daily to repair nerve damage. Nerve cells, or neurons, play a crucial role in sending messages between your brain and the rest of your body. These messages help control everything from movement to sensation. When nerve damage happens, also known as neuropathy, it disrupts these signals. This can lead to a range of symptoms: pain, tingling, numbness, muscle weakness, or even a loss of coordination. It's often caused by conditions like diabetes, autoimmune diseases, infections, or injuries. Chronic inflammation and poor nutrition can also weaken your nerves over time. The drinks we're about to share contain powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential vitamins and minerals that support nerve health. By drinking them regularly, you can reduce inflammation, promote healing, and help prevent further nerve damage. Now, let's dive into the top 6 incredible drinks that can help you repair nerve damage naturally. 1. Blueberry Smoothie. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, especially flavonoids, that support both brain and nerve function. These antioxidants help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, a process that damages cells by producing free radicals. Chronic oxidative stress is a major contributor to nerve damage and neurodegenerative conditions. They're great for reducing inflammation and promoting healthy nerve activity. Blend a handful of blueberries with almond milk or yogurt for a smoothie and consume regularly. 2. Beetroot Juice. Beetroot is high in nitrates, which turn into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and delivering more oxygen to tissues, including nerves. This better circulation is important for nerve repair because nerves need plenty of oxygen and nutrients to heal. Beetroot also has antioxidants like betanin, which reduce inflammation, a common cause of nerve damage that can slow the healing process. By improving oxygen flow and reducing inflammation, beetroot helps nerves heal and lowers the chance of further damage. Drink it a few times a week to boost circulation and support nerve healing. 3. Camomile Tea. Chamomile isn't just for relaxation. It has been used traditionally to relieve pain, including nerve-related pain such as that caused by neuropathy. This is because its active compounds act on receptors in the brain that influence pain perception. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce nerve pain and promote nerve healing. It contains compounds like apigenin and bisabolol, which have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help reduce the inflammation that can lead to nerve damage. Drink a cup before bedtime to relax and support your nerves. 4. Bone Broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen and amino acids, which help rebuild and repair damaged nerves and tissues. Bone broth is rich in collagen and gelatin, both of which contain amino acids like glycine, proline, and glutamine that are essential for repairing connective tissues and nerve sheaths. Collagen is vital for the repair of the myelin sheath, the protective coating around nerves that helps transmit signals efficiently. Damage to this sheath can cause neuropathy, and consuming bone broth can provide the necessary nutrients to rebuild this crucial structure. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of bone broth daily can significantly support your nerve recovery journey. Before we continue, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. 5. Green Tea. Green tea contains a powerful antioxidant called EGCG, which helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, a major factor in nerve damage and degeneration. Oxidative stress can disrupt nerve signals and lead to issues like neuropathy. In addition to its antioxidant properties, EGCG also fights inflammation. Inflammation can damage the protective covering around nerves, called the myelin sheath. Studies show that green tea supports brain and nerve health by promoting the growth and differentiation of neurons, which are critical for repairing damaged nerves. So, drink 1 to 2 cups of green tea daily to help support nerve health. 6. Turmeric Milk. Last but not least, turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. The curcumin in turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It's known to reduce nerve pain and promote nerve regeneration. A warm cup before bed is perfect for nerve repair while you sleep.